Namaste. Today I got my first dose of COVID vaccine, and I'm doing this video because there are too many misconceptions about the vaccine and many are hesitant to take this vaccine. This is the photo of me, my colleagues and many of my people around me who have taken or while we were taking the vaccine, and in the evening today I am making this video. How is the vaccine given? It is given as an injection in your muscle in the upper arm, and as per the standard protocol, 2 doses of the vaccine have to be given before we get sufficient immunity. So I am due for the next dose of the vaccine maybe after 4 weeks. Now, can everybody take this vaccine when it's offered? I think the very fact that I and my colleagues have taken and are talking to you means that we can. In fact, there is a lot of neophobia around, which is a fear mongering about the new thing that is around. It is just similar to what was done when COVID came into or COVID pandemic started. Lot of fear mongering. People want to talk about it and create some things which are true, some things which are false. But the very fact that many people around me have taken the vaccine indicates that we feel safe enough to take it. In fact, we should be thankful to the government for its initiative, because we are one of the very few countries in the world which has started the vaccination, and we want to see the end of the pandemic and want to get on with our routine works as soon as possible. Now, coming to the cancer patients, can they take vaccine? In fact, that also is a debate, and in fact I need to be very clear that the people whom we are talking about are the cancer patients who are undergoing treatment right now. They are not the patients who have been cured or on some simple therapies like hormone therapy. We are only talking about patients who are on chemotherapy or targeted therapy or immunotherapy, or patients on radiation or chemoradiation, or those with advanced disease where their immunity is in question. So the patients who have been cured completely are on follow-up. Those patients are fairly are considered as normal people, and they don't need to be worried about the taking vaccination or any aspect of it. Now, a simple answer to this question, are doctors recommending vaccination to all cancer patients? The simple answer is yes. The reason why it is so is the outcomes are bad when a cancer patient gets COVID. There is a higher risk of complications and death due to complications. That is applicable to all infections when it comes to in association with cancer. So the question is the timing of the vaccination, and that is because we are more worried about whether the patient will develop immunity because of the vaccine, or which is the best time to give the vaccine. So that is a concern the world community is having. So what the guidelines are telling today, though the evidence or the form of research is very, very small and we don't have a strong evidence, but what they are telling is we can give it is, if the patient has not started treatment, better to give the vaccine 2 to 4 weeks prior to the starting of immunosuppressive therapy, or that means chemotherapy or chemoradiation, or doing a transplant, or if there is a splenectomy that is planned. So 2 to 3 weeks before, if it is not yet planned. Otherwise, if the patient has already received any of the above treatments, then it is better to wait for 6 months so that the immunogenicity of these patients is optimal. But what they are also suggesting is, minimum time is 2 weeks, so that at least some bit of normalcy has been retained in the body. Otherwise, again, remember, the question is whether the patient will develop immunity or not. It is not the question of risk to the patient. And same with the transplant patients, that is the patients who have undergone bone marrow transplant. What is recommended is wait for 3 to 6 months. So apart from this, everybody else can take the vaccine. The safety of the vaccine is not the question here. The question is the effectiveness of the vaccine. So thank you very much for listening to me.